Chia seeds are highly nutritious and can provide several health benefits. Here are some reasons why your body might benefit from chia seeds. 1. Highly nutritious. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various micronutrients. 2. Loaded with antioxidants. The specific antioxidants in chia seeds include chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, myricetin, quercetin, and caempferol. 3. Improved digestive function. Studies show that chia seeds boost vitamin and mineral absorption in your gut. 4. Aid with weight loss. Drinking a glass of chia water, chia seeds mixed with water, may help you eat less. Chia seeds expand when they get wet and take up room in your stomach. You may feel less hungry, which can lead to weight loss. Remember, while chia seeds are beneficial, they should be consumed as part of a balanced diet. Ingredients: chia seeds,